Let's say we have negative 3x is greater than or equal to 9. And we want to solve this equation or we want to solve this inequality for x. So we want to find values of x that make this inequality true. So in order to isolate the x and solve for it, we need to get the x alone. So what we're going to do here is divide both sides by negative 3. Now we have to remember here that every time we divide or multiply by a negative in an inequality, then we have to flip the sign. So let me rewrite this as, so negative 3 divided by negative 3 is just 1, so it's going to become 1x. And so I'm not going to write the sign for now. We're going to think about the sign after this. So 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So once again, if we divide or multiply by a negative number in order to isolate the variable, we need to flip the inequality sign. So in this case, instead of this being greater than or equal to, it will be less than or equal to. So we have x is less than or equal to negative 3. So let's see if that works. So we're going to rewrite the equation. Let's rewrite it as, so we have negative 3x is greater than 9. So we're going to see if this right here is the solution to this equation. So we can plug in any number. We can plug in negative 3 or any number less than negative 3. So let's try negative 3 first. So if you plug in negative 3 here, we get, so we're substituting negative 3 for x because that's a solution. So we're going to substitute negative 3. So we have negative 3 times negative 3 is greater than or equal to 9. Let's see if that's true. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9 is greater than or equal to 9. And that is true. So that worked. Let's try one more number. Now let's try, so again, our solution is x is less than or equal to negative 3, so we could try a more negative number because it's less than negative 3, so let's try negative 4. So we're going to rewrite this as negative 3x is greater than or equal to 9. Let's substitute negative 4 for x because it is a solution to the inequality. So negative 3 times negative 4 is greater than or equal to 9. Let's see if that's true. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. And 12 is indeed greater than or equal to 9. So again, what I wanted to introduce in this video is the concept of switching the sign or flipping the sign as you multiply or divide by a negative.